Hi everybody, welcome to the NAVIFORCE Watch channel. Today we will have an unboxing review of our men's watch, and the model number is the NF9097. Okay, now let's start. As you can see, the watch box is the same as very textured, and the black box is black rectangular box is our men's watch box, and the brand logo is very clear at the center. Now let me take out the watch. Okay, here as you can see, this one is the guarantee card, and the warranty period is for 1 year. And this one is the instruction manual to teach you how to adjust your new watch. Okay, this watch is the watch that we will unbox today, and this one, the NF9097, is powered by a Japanese Quartz Movement and LCD digital movement, so it is quite durable and practical to use. And first, let's have a look at the back side of this watch. Okay, you can see that the model number, that is the NF9097 in the back center, and you can know the model other information like the stainless steel back. The watch back here is the stainless steel material, and the water resistance is for 30 meters. That is the 3 ATM. And then the watch glass is made use of the hardened mirror glass, so that it is quite scratch resistant. Now I will show you the size, the parameter of this watch. Okay, here actually all the parameter, the details are put at the upper right screen, but I will show you the case diameter with the tool. Okay, here you can see the case diameter of this watch is 46 millimeter, and here, and the lug to lug is about 53 millimeter. Okay, and here the thickness, because it has two movements, so the thickness is quite large. It is the 16 millimeter. Okay, pay attention that the case is made of zinc alloy material, and here the total length of this watch is 260 millimeter, and the strap here is the genuine leather. So the leather, it has a quite good quality, and here you can see the strap, the thickness is quite thick, is quite thick, and soft, and match with easy adjusted pin buckle. It is quite comfortable and convenient to wear. And next, I will show you the dial design of this watch. Okay, the whole design of this NF9097 is very cool. Firstly, look at the bezel here. It is fluted and inlaid with 6 powerful screws, and you can see that the scale, except for the number, the numeral 3 and 9, there are small indexes and feature tips. Here you can see that. Now it's quite detailed. You can see that the features, the indexes, so you they are designed to increase the legibility and the practicality. Okay, now I want to show you all colors of this model. The NF9097, there are a total of 4 colors here. Okay, now I will show you one by one. The first one color is the solid black. It adopts all black color scheme, including the bezel, the case, and the lugs, and the leader strap are all black, and the dial surface adopt the gray color, and you can see the stars and the numeral markers are the silver color, and the indexes and the hands are white color, and it looks very cool. And okay, the next one color is the rose gold black. It adopts the black bezel and case and the little strap, but the lugs and the stars and the numeral markers are the rose gold, and you can see that the indexes and all the markers are the rose gold color, and you can see that the full functional modes, it marks quite clear here the light, and here the modes, and this one is for the chronograph, the start or recording time, and this one to reset the time. So it's quite clear of this model. And the third one is the rose gold coffee, or you can call it rose gold brown. It adopts the black bezel and case, and the rose gold lugs, and the stars and the numerals, but the strap is deep coffee or deep, while the dark brown color, and it looks quite clear. The indexes and when you read the time is quite cool and practical. Okay, the last one color is the rose gold blue. You can see that the bezel and the case are the blue color, and the strap is more blue and is the dark blue. Yes. Okay, and the lugs and the case is the rose gold color, and the stars and the numeral markers, and the circular design is rose gold. So this one is also very nice and great and very cool. Okay. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF9097 today. Please thumb up and subscribe, as well as follow us on the Instagram or the Facebook if you guys love us and want to see more interesting content. See you next video. Bye bye.